coming in, and we have to quickly shift our focus to the news that's now coming in. There's a big bonanza in store, viewers, for home buyers, and that's the latest breaking news from the RBI. So the RBI governor has said that the Monetary Policy Committee has decided to cut repo rate by 50 basis points to 5.5%. So this is a cheer for home buyers. The repo rate has been slashed by 50 BPS. Loans could become cheaper. This is the third rate cut in 2025. My colleague Hina is joining us on the phone line. Hina, what does this mean for home buyers? It's time to cheer. What more? How can you analyze the latest statement that's coming from the RBI governor?
Well, Sagrika, in simple terms, it means a clear bonanza for those who were looking to take a home loan, those who already have a home loan running with a flexible interest rate, because their EMIs are set to go down. Home loan rate is going to get cheaper immediately. And this is amazing because 50 basis points cut is significant. You know, the street was expecting. Reason is that our inflation has remained under control. It has been below the expectation of RBI, below the level that RBI had set for itself as well. So when inflation remained under control, all other conditions are also looking good for the Indian economy for now. So that is why RBI felt that it's the right time to slash the repo rate. Now, 50 basis points has come, which is about 0.5% low. And, in this year itself, that is 2025, from February, Sagrika, this is the third rate cut that we have seen. Twice in the past, we've seen a 25 basis point rate cut. So in total, in 2025 itself, the people have got 1% cut in the repo rate. So it's a great news for those who have monthly EMI going on, because that is going to go down. Now, it has come down to about 5.5%. This is with immediate effect. It simply means that banks will have to pass it on to the consumers immediately. And that is why we are saying that this is big bonanza for the home buyers specifically. So that's point number one. Apart from that, the kind of commentary that came in from the Reserve Bank of India governor was also very, very important. He seemed to suggest that Indian economy is looking pretty strong at this point in time. Even though there is so much of volatility in the global economic scenario, Indian economy is strong. And he also spoke about how there is political stability as well. That is also leading to bringing, in fact, a lot of confidence among investors globally as well. So, things are as of now looking very good. Of course, we'll have to wait and see what happens next. All eyes are going to be on the trade deal between India and the US. That's another thing that, that's going to have an impact on Indian economy. But so far, inflation is within the comfort zone. That is why they managed to bring repo rate down by about 50 basis points. So great news for those who were looking to, take a home loan or who have a home loan going on.
I want you to stay with us on the phone line, Hina, because after this, we'll also tell our viewers about how this could mean that this is Modinomics in action. We'll tell you more about it, but first up, let's listen into what the RBI governor said.
The Monetary Policy Committee met on the 4th, 5th and 6th of June, that is today, to deliberate and decide on the policy repo rate. And after a detailed assessment of the evolving macroeconomic and financial developments and the economic outlook ahead, the MPC decided to reduce, which is widely expected, the policy repo rate under the liquidity adjustment facility by 50 basis points to 5.5%. I repeat, the reduction recommended by the MPC is for 50 basis points to 5.5%. This is with immediate effect.
So this is good news for home buyers. The repo rate has been slashed. Your loans could become cheaper, and it's the third rate cut in 2025. Huge implications of the decision. With that,